Stocks opened lower this morning. Investors are concerned about the crisis in Egypt and signs of slower global economic growth. But there is some encouraging data out ahead of the 4th of July holiday. U.S. businesses hired more workers last month. That's according to private payroll company ADP. It says companies added 188,000 jobs in June, up from 134,000 in May. Construction firms hired the most workers. Analysts say this points to evidence that the housing recovery is contributing to job growth. And more hopeful news for the economy. The Labor Department says the number of Americans seeking unemployment benefits fell 5,000 to a seasonally adjusted 343,000 last week. The latest numbers show layoffs remain low and that companies are adding a modest number of jobs. Friday, the government will release its June jobs report. The U.S. trade deficit jumped to $45 billion in May, the highest in 6 months, and more than 12% higher than April's number. The Commerce Department says exports slipped due to recessions in many European countries. Imports rose 1.9% as Americans buy more cell phones and automobiles from overseas. And finally, a former executive at Tiffany has been arrested. Ingrid Lederhaus-Okun was in court Tuesday. Officials say her job allowed her to take jewelry out of the store, but instead of returning it, she sold it for more than $1 million. In February, Tiffany let Okun go as part of a company-wide downsizing. If convicted, she could get 30 years behind bars. That's your Money Watch. For more, stay with CBSMoneyWatch.com. In New York, I'm Erica Ferrari.